Alright guys, welcome to my latest unboxing. Let's see what we got here today. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm a bit rusty with the opening stuff. But hopefully won't be too bad. Here we go. Ooh, this looks good. I don't usually get stuff like this, but this happens to be my absolute favorite perfume. Oh, come on. Get out of there. This happens to be my absolute favorite perfume. It is fantastic. It smells really good. So, there you have it. What else came in the box? There was some extra fun stuff in there. And that's it. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.
Likey.